Welcome inside the largest high-tech mango production site, where innovation meets industry.
Fresh mango is carefully harvested to ensure quality and efficiency.
As the sun sets on the old way of doing business, DNHE rises to meet the demands of tomorrow.
Only mangoes that pass strict inspections are selected for packing.
Individual wrapping helps preserve quality during transport.
Look at the throughput on line 3, it's lagging again. Yeah.
We need to adjust the sorter settings immediately.
Experts ensure each mango meets the factory's strict standards.
The warehouse keeps mangoes safe before they leave for customers.
From harvesting to packaging, this is the journey of mango to your table.